My name is Sierra Musa. I live in Olathe and I'm the owner of this house. So I was on vacation in West Africa. This particular day was January 10th. I was in a totally different country called Senegal, and I was there to attend an interview with the U.S. Embassy. And at 1 a.m. Senegal time, my phone rang. And this phone never works in Africa, so it was my neighbors, and my neighbors were telling me that there was water coming from all over my house. And at that point, I needed to get a hold of my point of contact that checks on my house. And when they got over here, everything was just completely drowning. Water was coming from all over the place, the ceiling, the walls, the floor. So my cousin called Charlie, who's my insurance agent, and Charlie automatically called a company called AdvantaClean.
AdvantaClean was able to respond within the hour.
They got to the house. When they assessed what happened, right off the bat, they took their stuff and started cleaning the house.
Most companies don't have the capacity or the ability to respond as quickly as AdvantaClean does.
We returned to the country 6 weeks later. The damage was already cleaned up, and now we are ready for the repairs to start. We were just thankful for friends and family, AdvantaClean and Charlie Carter directing everything.